Hello, I am Selena from a large rubber band factory in Vietnam. Today, I would like to show you how my factory operates in one day. Choosing the right factory is not about finding the best factory. It is about finding the right factory for the product, quality target, and price point. A factory built for speed and cost efficiency will think differently from one built for craftsmanship, tighter tolerances, and premium finishes. Choose the right manufacturing partner and you solve half the supply chain before production even starts. If you currently have any rubber band requirements, please feel free to contact me for further information. I look forward to establishing a strong and beneficial relationship with your esteemed company in the near future.